Just in, IPOB lawyer addresses Nnamdi Kanu's death rumor. In case you've not heard, Nnamdi Kanu has been rumored that death is clocking or knocking around the corner for him, and this has not gone down well, as IPOB members are saying. If anything happened to Nnamdi Kanu in custody, Nigerian government will not find it funny. Okay, they will not get it easy because they are taking this thing for granted and they don't understand that Nnamdi Kanu is not just a man for himself. He's speaking for vast majority of other people who also share, his ideology and will want the best for him. Okay, he's a prisoner of conscience just for speaking out against wrongdoing in our society. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Thank you. Just in, IPOB leader addresses Nnamdi Kanu's death rumor. Barrister Ejimafo, the lead counsel of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra IPOB, on Monday evening alleges fear of his client's well-being and said he's very much alive, but anything could happen as his health is deteriorating. In a statement he signed, which was made available to Politics Nigeria, Ejimafo said Nnamdi Kanu is still being detained in the facility of the Department of State Services DSS National Headquarters in Abuja. He, however, stated that there was an impasse as regards the meeting with Nnamdi Kanu today. Update on Ejiomafo's statement. He said, update on our routine visit to our amicable leader client, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, at the headquarters of the Department of State Security Services, DSS, today, 28th day of February 2022. Our routine court ordered visit to our leader client was led by our distinguished senior advocate of Nigeria, Professor Chief Mike Ozionwo San, who is also the lead counsel on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. Our esteemed team of lawyers comprises of Lee Silk, myself, and Barrister Aloy Ejimafo. We are all cleared in most promptly upon our arrival and consequently allowed to proceed with the business of the day to pay Nnamdi Kanu a visit as his lawyers. We were immediately ushered into the room designated for the visit. All the protocols were duly observed as we willingly submitted ourselves to same in line with the DSS stipulated routine guidelines. We waited until minutes turned into hours, and there was no sign that we will have Nnamdi Kanu brought to us. Consequently, Sikh, the leader of our team, raised alarm and demanded to have the attention of the DSS supervisor for explanation on why a court order visit originally should not extend beyond 2 hours was taking 1 hour and a half waiting with no hope of meeting our clients. Following the screen protest by our leader, we were consequently brought in to meet with a superior officer at the meeting, where all superior personnel connected with the matter were invited. Far-reaching contacts were made to establish the fact that our client, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, was presumptuously protesting the previous 3 visits, which were adopted by the DSS. All effort made to move the visit to his very location of detention were not granted by the DSS, as they insist that our request ran contrary to their procedures and guidelines. Efforts is presently being intensified to pacify Nnamdi Kanu to have one-on-one discussion with his lead counsel to enable us brief him on legal steps we may be compelled to take and measure up to adopt to assure him that there are legal consequences for frequent violation of court order before the DSS. We are quite hopeful that this needless impasses will be resolved between now and tomorrow morning to enable the lead team led by Chief Ezio-San conduct the visit tomorrow that had so far been assured us We can authentically confirm to you all this stage that Nnamdi Kanu is very well alive and still being detained in the facility of the Security Services Nigeria. We shall continue to keep you up to date with matters connected with our visit to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and compare to tell you all that is currently ongoing. So Nigerian government, honestly speaking, are not doing very well. They are not following court orders. They are not doing the right things, and this is rather very scary and very unfair. Okay, it's not right in any way, form, or kind. What is currently going on is that what's currently going on is that Nigerians are being treated with disdain. Okay, this disdain, and this is rather very terrible. Okay, Nnamdi Kanu, yeah, Nnamdi Kanu has done nothing but speak out for the people, and told you know and told his people. He has spoken for his people, saying we will not allow this to continue. If you don't want us to be part of the government, please leave us alone. We are happy to be out of your government. We don't want to be. If you don't want us to be, we are happy to be out. Okay, and we're happy to be out. We don't have to be with you. I mean, we don't have to be in your government. And Nigerian government has said, how dare you, challenge us? How dare you say you don't want to be part of the government? How dare you say this? How dare you say that? How dare you say this? So this is what is happening right now. This is what is going on. And I mean, we will continue to keep you up to speed, but thank God, a lot of people thought that maybe one thing has happened to Nnamdi Kanu because the last three visits has been denied. Okay, the last three visits has not been granted. So, I mean, you won't blame those who are thinking and asking questions and wondering what next, what really is going on. You won't blame them. You won't blame them. Okay, you won't blame them. So this is what is happening, and why everybody must particularly speak out against wrongdoing in our society and in this government. It is shocking, it's alarming, things that are going on. It's really shocking and alarming, and everybody must continue to speak out against evil going on right now. Okay, it's shocking, it's alarming, it's terrible things that are happening. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. God bless you. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. From us, it's bye for now. Have a lovely day. Bye.